The wind will also be whipping on the hilltops and higher elevations, but even gusts in low-lying areas are impacting life.
That's right. Places like construction sites, they've had to take extra precautions in the last 24 hours. News Channel 9's Andrew Donovan is live at one near Syracuse University. So, Andrew, how are things where you are right now?
Well, Jeff, we're not getting any of the wind gusts that John's getting out in Cazenovia, but that's something that the construction crews and the managers are watching throughout the next 24 hours to see how it might impact them. And that's why they've had to make some changes today. Usually this crane is visible in the southern distance from I-690. It's the tallest crane in Syracuse right now, but it had to come down. You won't see it from I-690. You'll see it in this kind of downward position, and that's intentional. But that wasn't the case this afternoon. The crews got as much work in as they could. That crane was operational, lifting supplies onto the roof being built for student housing. But all morning and afternoon, the crew knew they had to work fast because the decision had already been made to lower the top half of the crane and make sure the tip was safely secured on the ground to hold up to wind gusts.
The crane operator inside is basically the decision maker when it's not safe. There's a sensor, and they have a reading in the cab, and then they make a decision. If ice builds up on the crane, that's even more weight than the crane wants to deal with.
Anyone in charge of a construction site is watching for similar difficulties. The DOT crews on the I-81 project have been watching the forecast and preparing the last 24 hours, including removing snowbanks so heavy rain won't create ponding water along the cement barriers, and taking down temporary traffic signs so they don't blow away. But it's not just construction zones the DOT is watching, it's all state roads.
I like to say that we're gassed up. I mean, we have our chainsaws and our chippers and our excavation equipment all gassed up and ready to go so that we can take care of anything that's in the roadway or clogging up any of our culverts after the storm.
The DOT warns about how power outages might impact traffic signals and make them dark. Remember, drivers who approach a signal without power, a dark signal, needs to treat that intersection like an all-way stop sign. If it's four ways, a four-way stop sign. Live in Syracuse, Andrew Donovan, News Channel 9.
Andrew, thanks very much. All right, now is as good a time as any to download the Live Doppler 9 app. You can scan that QR code or simply find it in the App Store or Google Play. It's free.